How to use clone tool in Picsart. Want to remove unwanted elements or duplicate textures? Here's how to use the clone tool in Picsart. First, upload your image and go to the Tools menu. Then select Clone. Click on the area you want to copy. This becomes your source point. Move your brush to the area you want to paint over and start brushing. Adjust the brush size and hardness for more precise edit. Continue until the unwanted area blends seamlessly and then click Apply. Have you tried cloning for creative patterns yet? Tell us in the comments below. Take your time with small, repeated strokes for a more natural and realistic results. And that's how you can use clone tool in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.